In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on virtual reality in Google Chrome. By the end, Chrome will be set to let websites request access to your VR devices, and it'll be optimized for smoother performance. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. This is where all of Chrome's settings live. From that menu, choose Settings. The settings page opens in a new tab, and we'll make a couple of quick adjustments here. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. This section controls what websites are allowed to do in your browser, which is exactly what we need for VR. Next, open Site Settings. Site Settings is where permissions like camera, microphone, and in our case, virtual reality are managed. Scroll down to the Additional Permissions area. This section holds less common but important controls. Click Virtual Reality. Here, you'll see options that determine whether sites are allowed to use VR features. Select sites can ask to use virtual reality devices and data. With this enabled, Chrome won't automatically give any site access. Instead, you'll get a clear prompt whenever a site wants to use your headset or motion data. You can choose Allow when you trust the site, and Chrome can remember that choice for next time. If you ever change your mind, you can come back here and adjust it or clear permissions for specific sites. Now let's make sure Chrome is set up for the best performance. Go back to the main settings page and click System in the left-hand menu. Here, turn on Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This setting lets Chrome use your computer's GPU instead of only the CPU, which makes a noticeable difference for VR and 3D content. If the toggle is already on, you're good to go. If it's off, switch it on. To apply that change, click Relaunch. Chrome will close and reopen automatically, and your open tabs should come back just as they were. Once it relaunches, your VR permission setting and hardware acceleration are both active. That's it. You've enabled the ability for sites to request VR access and ensured Chrome uses your graphics hardware for better performance. When you visit a site that supports WebXR or other VR experiences, connect your headset, watch for the permission prompt, and choose Allow to enter immersive mode. If something doesn't work right away, double-check the site's requirements and that your device is recognized by your system. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring virtual reality in Chrome.